So here we got another peculiar looking Boolean expression that we are going to simplify right now. So let's have a look. There's not really much I can do with this term here. I'm going to scan through, and we see inside this little bracket here we got two of the same characters here. So that'll be quite easy to solve. So Z or not Z will just be 1. Because as I've said in many videos before, if Z is 0, not Z will be 1. And if Z is 1, not Z would be 0. So there's at least 1 in that expression there. There's at least 1, 1. So that will have to equal 1 inside the bracket. Better know that for your exam. Now, Y and 1 will just be Y. Now, we are in a position to expand the brackets here. So, this is just like expanding any bracket in like GCSE math. You're just going to multiply each term together, and each term together. So W and X is W and X, and then we got X and X, we got X and Y, and we got W and Y. So I've just added everything together in this expression here. So that's expanded now. First thing I notice is that we've got X and X here. So that will just obviously simplify to X. Always take things one step at a time with these. Just do what you can first and everything will unravel. Oh, now we can see that we can apply absorption law here. So we've got the X and we got W and X here. So this little expression on its own will simplify to X using the absorption law. And we can actually do this again by applying the absorption law. We take this little expression on its own, that will simplify down to X. Then we are left with our answer. So what I noticed with this Boolean expression is that there are so many knots going on with this term. There's so many knots here. And I think it would just be easier if we just De Morgan's this to make it more simple. So, not X will simplify to not X. Not and will just be and. Not Y will just be Y. Not and will be or. Not X is just X. And then we can just do this. We've got to put brackets around here, these terms here, because we've just applied De Morgan's law and these were individual terms here. So make sure to put your brackets so you don't get confused. Now what I want to quickly do is expand this bracket here. Make sure to put a bracket around here just to not confuse ourselves. I've done that a little bit weird there, but okay. Now we got not X or X. So if X is 1, not X will be 0, and if X was 0, not X will be 1. So there's at least 1, 1 in this little expression here. So this will simplify to 1. Now, 1 and this term here will just be this term. Because as you know, if 1 and A will equal A, this is the same here. 1 and X plus Y in brackets will just equal X plus Y. we can actually remove these brackets now. We don't need these brackets anymore. So let's remove these brackets just to see what we got here. So looking at this, I can see that we can apply absorption law here. So if we put brackets around here quickly, we can see we got y or y and x. That will just simplify to y using the absorption law. So our final answer is x or y.